Hare Krishna. Everyone please say, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All right, everyone please say again, more loudly. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Today is a very happy day, the inauguration of the Prasadam Bhavan. When we say Prasadam, we think of rice, sambar, and all these items. But, of course, the real meaning of Prasadam is mercy. So it's Krishna's mercy that He gives His mercy in the form of prasadam, food. We all need to eat. We all need mercy. In one way we could say the main problem that we have is that we don't realize that we need mercy. We all think, I'm doing everything by myself. Lord Krishna describes this asuric mentality in Bhagavad Gita. Ishvaroham aham bhogi siddhoham balavan sukhi. The demon thinks, I'm in control. Everything's okay. Don't worry, I'm in control. Everything here, I'm enjoying. Siddhoham. I know what I'm doing. No one needs to tell me anything. Balavan, by my own strength, I'm doing everything. And sukhi, I'm happy. We don't realize how small we are and how insignificant we are and how helpless we are. At any moment, all our plans, all our business, everything, all finished. So actually, we are fully dependent on the mercy of Bhagavan, Krishna. But we don't realize that. We think, yes, okay. More pious people, they think, yes, Bhagavan, okay. But a real devotee, he knows that we are completely dependent on the mercy of Krishna. Krishna is very kind. He gives His mercy to us even though we don't deserve it. Not everyone is interested in Krishna, unfortunately. But everyone is interested to take nice food. Krishna gives Himself in the form of nice food. So people may come and think, I like the nice food. But because that is prasadam, that is Krishna's mercy, they get Krishna's mercy. So this whole project here of making a temple for inviting Radha and Krishna, that is simply to call Radha and Krishna, please give us your mercy. This chanting of Hare Krishna is calling for Krishna's mercy. Those who are spiritually minded, generally they try to avoid food. But those who are very spiritually advanced, they very happily take Krishna prasadam and they chant the Hare Krishna mantra. So that can be done anywhere. You can chant Hare Krishna anywhere. You can go up to the top of the hill and chant Hare Krishna. You will get Krishna's mercy. You can sit in the middle of Vellore city and chant Hare Krishna. You will get Krishna's mercy. But a temple is required so that people can come and experience the atmosphere of how Krishna is giving His mercy. And when many people chant Hare Krishna together with pure bhakti, that creates an atmosphere just like Vaikuntha. A temple is also a place where people come, they get darshan, they join in Sankirtan, and they receive Krishna's mercy in the form of Krishna prasadam. Not everyone understands what is Krishna prasadam. Many people think nice food, just like your Tirupati Ladu is very famous. Everyone likes to take Tirupati Ladu. They know that's something very pious, but also very delicious. So many people, they like the deliciousness more. They're not so much concerned with the piousness. But they still get Krishna's mercy. One sannyasi of ISKCON, now he's passed away, gone to Krishna. He told me something. So he was from Nellore. This is Vellore. He is from Nellore. So he, as a child, he used to, after school, every evening, he used to play in the courtyard of the temple there. There's Ranganath temple. And every evening after playing, the archaka would come and give them all some prasadam. So he told me he never used to think, what is this, anything. He had no idea of anything spiritual. But he used to think, very nice food. So he didn't know any philosophy, anything, but every day he was getting Krishna's mercy. Then later, after doing business, having family, everything, he became a sannyasi in ISKCON and spent the last 20 years of his life serving Krishna with full heart and soul. So everyone who gets Krishna's mercy, we don't know how and when that bhakti will manifest in their hearts as a result. But it is guaranteed that everyone who takes this Krishna prasadam, just by that simple act, at some point the bhakti in their heart will sprout. And they will become a great devotee of Krishna. And they will cross over birth and death and go to Krishna. Not even the human beings, even the dogs are coming. They have absolutely no idea what is Krishna prasadam. For them they're happy, there's some food. But they also, because they're also jiva, Krishna, their nature is to be, of every jiva, is to serve Krishna. So next life, guaranteed they will get human birth. And they will take up bhakti also. So we shouldn't think that this Krishna prasad, it's ordinary rice. And we should not think that the Hare Krishna mantra is just some other mantra. And we should not think that Radha and Krishna are some other god. We do not know the potency of Krishna and Krishna prasadam. So this temple is also meant to teach people who is Krishna, who are we, what is our relationship with Krishna. People are suffering in this world due to ignorance. Just one simple fact we need to know, that I am the eternal servant of Krishna. Ami Nitya Krishna Das. I am the eternal servant of Krishna. Ami Nitya Krishna Das ek hota bhule mayar nafa hoya chirodin bhule. Simply because we have forgotten that I am the eternal servant of Krishna, we become the servant of Maya and we wander in this material world on and on and on. So this temple is meant for distributing the mercy of Krishna, all mercy. The name of Krishna is Krishna prasadam in the form of food, the teachings of Bhagavad Gita, the darshan of Radha and Krishna. In all these ways, Krishna is giving his mercy to us. And as soon as we get a little of Krishna's mercy, we feel fully satisfied. There are many plan makers in human society. They have various plans how to make people. But all of the plans, ultimately, they become useless. So we don't need many plans. Just we have to tell people, you live simply. We don't need so many items. Live simply. Simple house, little food, prasadam. Chant Hare Krishna and you will be fully satisfied. That's all. That's the best plan. You may take this up in your political propaganda also.
Thank you.
If you take up Krishna's plan, then you can become Yudhishthira. Some of the politicians, especially in Tamil Nadu, they want to be like Ravana. But we think it is better to be a servant of Lord Rama. We shouldn't speak politics. But actually all Mahabharata and Ramayana is only politics. Spiritual politics. So we want to follow Hanuman. Very powerful. Even today people, they worship Hanuman because he is so powerful. But he always thinks, I am the servant of Rama. And that's how he gets Shakti. Because Rama gives him so much power because he knows He will not misuse that. So let us all pray for the mercy of Krishna and Rama. And if we all come to get the mercy of Krishna and Rama, then there will not be all this dissension in human society. There is no need for all this unnecessary fighting. Let everyone sit together and take Krishna Prasadam, chant the name of Krishna, be peaceful and happy in Krishna's service. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So I think they want to distribute Krishna Prasadam now, is it? Now it will begin? Now the first time we'll have this mass prasadam distribution here. This will be the first time. This should go on for hundreds of years. And people should come from all over the world to get Krishna's prasadam here. So you and I, we can do the first prasadam distribution. We can do together. Yeah.